This is a fire alarm. So as we know, fire accidents are a major issue if proper prior measures are not taken. Hence, to prevent ignition or to minimize the damage, I have created a fire alarm which will detect any smoke or LPG leakage or even any other gas like methane, propane or butane, and will alarm us with a buzzer and an LED connected to it. As you can see, this is a buzzer and MQ2 gas sensor and a temperature sensor along with it. Here, the temperature sensor will detect the rise of the temperature and humidity levels, so hence along with the gases, it will also alarm the buzzer when the temperature and the humidity levels will increase a risky event. So now let me show you how it works. So I am taking an incense stick which will generate smoke and will be detected by the MQ2 gas sensor. I have connected it to the battery and now I am going to light up my stick. I'm gonna bring it near the sensor. As you can see, the LED and a buzzer is alarming how it's working. So